Okay, so the exercise is something like this. I want you to display the total number of payments for each individual customer, but I don't want you to display the customer ID. Instead, I want you to display the first name and the last name, but only for 3 specific customers, for Hilda, Sue, and Kimberly. So your result should look something like this. You will have 3 rows, which represents those 3 unique customers, and the total number of payments that these specific customers have. I will give you just some hints. You will need to use a group by statement, a join, because you will need to display the first name and last name, not the customer ID, the count function, and the where clause. Now try to think if you can do it. Try to write some queries, try to see the errors if you have, and I will see you in the next video with the solution.